Hey, it's Stephanie Love once again, back with a short video. Hey, now I'm back again, and I'm actually opening up this coffee maker. It's a Mainstays 5-cup coffee maker, automatic pause and serve function, easy to fill, water reserver, dishwasher safe, removable filter basket, 1-year warranty. My dad and his girlfriend got this for me for Christmas, and I'm just now like whipping it out. Whip it good. Whip it good. So the first thing I noticed when I opened up the box, instructions. Boop, boop, boop. Whatever. Okay. So this is how I took it out the box. It had like 2 cartridges on each side. So yeah. And then it has like all this plastic around it. Try not to break it. Plastic off. And there's just a little coffee maker. It's so cute. It matches my kitchen very well because my kitchen is kind of small. So here we are. So this is how I took it out the box. It had like 2 cartridges on each side. So yeah. And then it has like all this plastic around it. Try not to break it. Plastic off. And there's just a little coffee maker. It's so cute. It matches my kitchen very well because my kitchen is kind of small. So here we are. I'm not even about to make any coffee. I just wanted to open it and see it. And I guess this is where you put your coffee. Oh, this is like the best thing ever. You could take it out and you can clean it. Easy cleanup. And it snaps into place. But yeah, thank you guys for watching my unboxing of my little old coffee maker.